Good morning, students. Let's begin our today's class. As we already started the chapter Antarctica, today we are going to discuss about the location and extent of the continent Antarctica. Location means that where it actually exists on the earth. The continent where it actually lies on the earth, and extent means how much area is occupied by the continent. So far as the location is concerned, Antarctica is the southernmost continent. It is one of the world's southernmost continent. Southernmost means none other continent lies beyond the south of Antarctica. It is situated in the Antarctica region of the southern hemisphere. It completely lies in the southern hemisphere below the equator near the South Pole. Almost south of the South Pole and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. As 5 major oceans are there: Arctic Ocean in the north, then Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. It is also called as the Antarctic Ocean. So it is the southernmost continent among the 7 continents of the world. Then rank. This is the 5th largest continent. Total 7 continents are there. If we check the sequence from the largest to the smallest, the largest one is Asia, second one Africa, third North America, fourth South America, fifth is the Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. Sixth Europe, and the last one, smallest one, is the 7th Australia. So Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. Area, how much area is occupied by it? 40 million square kilometer. Total area covered by the land of Antarctica is 14 million square kilometer. Now, what is the height of this continent? 2000 meters from the mean sea level. What mean sea level means? If we have to measure the height of a particular place, this is the ocean or the sea level, this is the plain area, or if we reach to the height and have to measure the height of this particular place, how can we measure? We never measure it from here. We always start measuring it from this here. This is the sea level. This is called as the mean sea level. So the height of this continent from the mean sea level is 2000 meters. Population. No permanent resident are there in the continent Antarctica, as round the year it is covered with ice. As it lies near the South Pole, the temperature near the poles is too low, so it is very difficult to survive there. So no permanent residents are there in the continent Antarctica. Only across the continent, time to time, as the research stations are set up there, which are set up by the different nations of the world. They set their research stations. So time to time, according to the season, they reach to their research station and do the research work. After completing it, they returned it back. So we can't say that some few peoples are there who are permanently live there. The average is about 1,000 to 5,000 people. They time to time reach there for the research at the research station. Now, type of land. It is situated at the permafrost. What is permafrost? Permafrost is a ground which is continuously remain frozen for 2 to or more years, which is under on the ground and under the ocean also. It remain frozen. The land area which is remain frozen with the ice is there, it is called as the permafrost. So the land of the Antarctica is covered with ice round the year. It is called as the windiest, driest and the coldest continent. Driest, it is also considered as the desert, as the rainfall is too less. It reach up to 200 millimeter. Very less rainfall is there. No land part is there. So it is very difficult for the precipitation or for the rainfall to fall down. Therefore, the very less rainfall, and wherever it falls down, the rain falls down, it remains frozen because of too cold. The temperature in the winter reach up to minus 89 degree. You can imagine what should be the temperature at minus 89 degree. Where we are in our state, in our city, when we find that the temperature is about less than 10 degree, then the school become closed. It is when it reach up to 6 degree, 7 degree, the school become closed due to extreme winter. We get the winter that DM order that schools are closed. So what should be the temperature when it is minus 89 degree? So it is very difficult to survive there. Then about the boundaries. It is surrounded by the various seas of the three oceans. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. We can see that this is here the Pacific Ocean is there. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, here also it is Indian Ocean, and here is the Atlantic Ocean. So it is surrounded by the various seas of these three oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. In the north, here it is the Weddell Sea. Weddell Sea, and here is the Ross Sea, which divides the continent into the eastern Antarctica and the western Antarctica. It is the eastern side is the compact part, whereas the western Antarctica is the peninsula area. Eastern one and the western one. So this is about the boundaries of the Antarctica. It is surrounded by the major three oceans. Here we have completed the topic location and extent. Till then, now we'll start the new topic in next class. Till then, Have a good day. Thank you.